Hello everyone, Chef Tatong here. Remember me? Of course you do. Kaya today magluluto tayo ng masarap naman na ulam. It's bangus. And lagi naman tayo kumakain ng bangus. Pero ito siya, one of the classics that everyone will love. So we are making garlic butter bangus. So ito, meron tayong bangus dito, mga 500 grams. And we will just season. You can use salt, you can use whatever you want. So ito, I'm just using some seasoning granules. Both sides, rub lang natin siya. And we will also add a bit of calamansi. Yan. So you have to season both sides. And add it there. Of course, we don't want the seeds. You know. So, iwan lang natin siya for a few minutes to marinate. Rub natin. Also the other side para masarap at malinamnam yung ating bangus. Okay, let's leave that there. Wash our hands, and I will teach you how to make the perfect garlic butter sauce. So, we have here our garlic. This is around 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup. Then, I'm adding here around 2 tablespoons of oil. So, ito siya. Before uminit ng masyado yung inyong pan, we will now add our garlic, no? Hinay-hinay lang natin siyang lutuin hanggang maging lightly toasted, no? So, we don't want our pan to be very hot, no? So, ginagawa natin ngayon ay we are making sure that we are able to infuse the flavor of the garlic. Hindi nasusunog yung garlic dahil we are using vegetable oil or canola oil or whatever neutral oil you have. So, this butter sauce, garlic butter na gagawin natin, it can be used for other things. So, mag-steam ka ng hipon, maghalabos, pour this over. Gagawa ka ng crab, pour this over. Gagawa ka ng vegetables, pour this over. So, it's very simple. And tingnan mo ha, hindi siya sobrang brown. No? Pag sobrang brown, nagiging bitter. So, eto siya, I am using Arla butter. So, I will add my butter here now. And this butter will melt and infuse, magko-combine yung flavor ng ating butter and our garlic. Hinay-hinay lang siya, keep stirring until it melts. And you can season it with a little bit of salt kasi unsalted butter gamit natin. Or you can also combine a little bit of our seasoning granules kasi kailangan natin ng konti pang dagdag dinamnam, no? O, balance lang, konti lang ha. Not too much. And now, I will put this aside para gamitin natin siya later on. So, ito siya, very versatile yung ating garlic butter sauce. So, pwede mo i-pour over baked potatoes, even french fries. Masarap to. Yan. And now, our bangus, which has been seasoned already. Meron tayong cornstarch. Ang cornstarch, I will also add a little bit of salt and pepper. Make sure that it's properly seasoned. And we will mix. And we will dredge our bangus. And we will use our seasoned flour. Yan. Cornstarch yung gamit ko. Pwedeng combination of cornstarch and flour. Purong cornstarch or purong flour, it's up to you. Pero pinakamaganda ay a bit of both. More cornstarch than flour. And I will heat up my pan. So, hindi natin pipituhin yung ating bangus with butter. Ang butter will just be poured over. Now, I'll wait for my oil to heat up and we will fry our bangus. And this is our bangus. Eto siya, lagi tayong natatakot na tumatalsik talaga yung isda pag nagpiprito. Kaya, it's a very good idea to dredge it in flour or cornstarch kasi it will absorb the moisture. Press down. Be sure to dredge it properly. And we will drop our bangus into our frying pan gently. Yan. Also, yung ginagawa natin is presentation side first, no? So, unahin natin kung saan natin siya ilalatag. Unahin natin yan kasi malinis pa yung mantika. So, when we present it, it's going to be beautiful. Beautiful ba? Yan, oh. Perfect, beautiful. Ngayon, tingnan mo, baliktarin na natin siya. Gently. Yan, beautiful. Yan. Akin yung taba, ha. Huwag niyong agawin, ha. In the meantime, while waiting, habang nagpiprito ako, don't forget to subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel. And of course, check out our website as well, Simple.ph. At malapit na maluto tong ating garlic butter bangus. Yan. Ito, ating bangus. Ready. And ating garlic butter. And I will prepare my garnish. Meron akong spring onions. And masarap din to mag-serve ka ng calamansi or lemon on the side. It's good enough. And eto na yung ating recipe. Gawin natin tostado para crispy. At ako kinakain ko yung balat ng bangus. Kayo, kinakain nyo ba? Minsan kasi nasasayang ayaw kainin ng tao yung balat. Yung scales yan is rich in calcium. Alam niyo ba yon? It's good for the bones, especially mga bata. Gawin mo lang, gawin mong tostado para masarap siyang kainin. Yan. And here we go. Our bangus, it's so beautiful. And now, it's time to add our garlic butter. Ready-made, di ba? Ganyan, no? And, when it's time to serve, ganyan lang kayo. Takam kayo. Not too much, dalawang tablespoon lang, ganyan. And kung may extra kayong fried garlic, o lagyan mo ng extra fried garlic, ha? Yan! And our spring onions. Dun, dun, dun. And it is ready. This is the perfect garlic butter bangus. Look at that. Ay, sumasayaw yung ating plato. Sumasayaw sa sarap. Ito siya. Gusto ko sana yung taba kunin, pero dito daw ako kumuha para kita sa camera. Grabe naman to. Arte-arte mo. Mainit pa. Huwag kang magmadali. So hot. Subscribe pa ba natin? Nakitang-kita nyo naman, masarap, di ba? Perfect yung lasa ng ating bangus. Hindi siya over-marinated. Kasi sometimes, pag over-marinated yung bangus, sobrang nawawala na yung flavor ng fish. Ito, tama lang, mga 5 minutes, 10 minutes, ang calamansi. Konti lang yung calamansi para hindi umasim yung ating fish, lumabas lang yung flavor niya. And the garlic butter. Ito talaga. Gusto ko ng garlic rice with this. Then may side na atsara. Ang sarap. Or ito siya. Then yung partner mo, bulalo. Perfect. Try nyo ating recipe of garlic butter bangus. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.